You're looking at now an 18-inch 42cc Craftsman chainsaw in really nice shape. It is 100% complete. The original Craftsman bar and a very good chain. Starts and idles with no problem whatsoever. The oiler is 100% fully functional. You can buy this now for only $119.99 plus shipping anywhere in the US. $119.99 plus shipping puts this saw on your doorstep anywhere in the US. We also sell anywhere in the world with eBay International Shipping. So if you're looking for a very affordable, good quality chainsaw, look no farther, folks. This one is for you. Vintage King Motorsports, when quality and price matter most.